This just in. Mythological legend Bigfoot is real and might just change all our lives forever.
I'll be damned. He's back.
Time to take back what's mine.
We have reason to believe that Bigfoot has been researching and engineering the new, ultimate form of transportation.
Fascinating.
I never used to get up this early, but lately, I do. Just like Bigfoot would.
What do I think of Bigfoot? He's a legend. There's no other way of putting it.
Oh my god, there he is!
Oh my God!
What is he riding? Sir, can you explain this phenomenon to us?
That's a CyberBike.
There you have it. The legend is real.